Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have a beautiful new palette to share with you. This is the Arc of Color palette from Bella Beaute Bar. Look at how adorable this cover art is. This reminds me of my binders and all the stickers I would put on them when I was growing up, and I love that there's a little kitty over here. I love all of this. This is all reminiscent of when I was younger. It continues on to the back, evil eye there, everything. It's just absolutely adorable. Adorable, great job already, Bella Beaute Bar, with the cover art. This is what's inside this massive palette. We are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 36 matte shades. 36 matte shades, the full rainbow right here, all matte shades, so that you can use this maybe if you are a working makeup artist, or maybe if you're just a makeup junkie like myself, you love colorful makeup. These are some absolute good mattes, and Bella Beaute Bar has a beautiful formula that we'll of course be trying out today. If you want to purchase this palette, it will be on sale June 12th, and you can use my affiliate code Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of your order. I'll be creating 2 looks with it today. Let's get started right now. But wait, there's more. Before we get started, I am wearing one of 2 lip glosses that they sent to me, or lip balms is what they're calling them. This one, the orange one, is in the shade Sunshine, and obviously it's like a metallic orange. I think it has a little bit of specks of pink in it as well. And then this one over here is like a teal with a little bit of purple in it. This one is called Daydream, and that's what it looks like there. Now, let's get started with look number 1. Okay, let's dive into Arch of Color. I still cannot get over this massive palette. I am going to do, let's see. I have no idea what I'm wearing to work today. So I guess we can just go by whatever colors I choose to wear, which is probably going to be green because I love green. So I'm going to start with this one right here, Lime Apex, in the inner corner. And I am using my Game Beauty E01 to apply. I have to hold it up here because this part came loose from the handle part. So I just need to super glue it back. That's because I've used it so much, because I love it so much. Next, I am going to dive into, let's see, should I keep it all green, or should I go into the blue or purple? Ooh, the orange might be fun too, but I think I'm going to go, I think I'm going to keep it between the greens and the blues, and I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and this is an old BH Cosmetics brush. Just going to apply that kind of just in the center, bring it down on the lid as well. I'm going to go into the outer corner. Okay, for the next shade, let's go into, let's do this shade here, Deep Canopy. This is a Game Beauty E07. And these shades, this formula, amazing. I laid down some setting powder just to kind of catch any fallout that I might get. Okay, I think that looks really, really good. I'm going to touch up this middle shade just a little bit. With these all matte looks, everything needs to be on point because you can see any little mistake. I'm just touching up the other shades now, just to make sure, again, we have a nice blend. Okay, so I think that looks really, really good. We have a little visitor here who wants to step in the Arch of Color palette. Say hi, sister. Hi, sister. She is, oh, yes, she stepped in one of the shades. I got it all over my pants. But, she's here. She's doing her morning investigations. Let me wipe off this powder and then we'll do something for the lower lash line. Actually, no, let me leave it. Let's choose something already for the lower lash line. A sister hair got in the palette. I love green and purple together. I love green and blue together, green and orange together. But I think I want to choose something blue, maybe something bright. Let's go with Rain Wash. I'm using the N22 brush from the BK Beauty and Nikki LaRose collection. Now with that same brush, I'm going to go in with the first matte green shade and just apply a little bit down here to the inner corner. And this is the look, guys. I'm going to pop off camera to take our finishing touches. I'm going to add a lash. And then I'll show you the completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 1. Absolutely love this. These are my shades. I love wearing green and blue together. I added, well, mascara I'm using is this one from Dior. And then I added the House of Lashes Boudoir Light. And I glued them underneath. No eyeliner on the top lash line, just a ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Crystal Crush. Beautiful blue eyeliner to the lower waterline. Added the mascara there as well. This is the completed look. I'm going to wear test it for you guys, so I will do a check-in with you all when I get home from work, about 9 hours from now. Hey guys, so this is the 10-hour mark of me trying out this new Bella Beaute Bar Arch of Color palette. My lashes came off. They were just not having it. I think that particular style of lash is best suited for the lash line application above the lash instead of under. So learning experience for me today, but I think this look came out really nice. Got a couple compliments today, and I like doing an all matte look from time to time. And if that's what you like, you're definitely going to be able to create a lot of them with this rainbow of colors with this new Bella Beaute Bar palette. Let's start working on look number 2 right now. Okay, so for look number 2, I'm wearing a yellow top here. I know we just did green. I honestly think anything goes. Like, all of these shades just pair so well together, but you know, I'm wearing yellow. Let's start up here with this one right here. This is First Light. And I'm using a Singe Beauty E08 to apply this shade. And I'm just going to be doing this all up here by the brow bone, all the way through, inner and outer. Okay, that is a nice bright yellow. I love it. Let's move on to our next shade. And I think I'm going to go in with this one right here, Golden Span. Taking the shade on a Singe Beauty E02 brush, and I am going to be focusing this on the lid, but like the inner corner, inner half. To get some, ooh, look at that. Look at all the fallout. Definitely have to clean that up. What I'm noticing is that these shades are very, very powdery. You just need to be careful when you're dipping your brush in because there is a lot of kick up in the pan. You'll notice I did lay some powder down to kind of catch some of that extra fallout. Next shade, I think I am going to go to, Lava Line right here. Taking this shade on a Singe Beauty E05, and this one is going directly in the crease. And kind of just flick it a little outwards. I'm just going to use my little powder puff to kind of just clean up the edge right here. Okay, next I'm going to dive into the shade right here. This one is called Rainfire. Same E05 brush from Singe Beauty. Okay, so our look, I've kind of dusted away some of the powder. This is what we're working with. I feel like the center, though, does need a pop of something. So I'm going to try this yellow shade right here. Let me see what it does there on the lid. Using a Singe Beauty E01 to apply. Yeah, I think this is exactly what I was looking for. Just something to kind of mesh all the shades together here. I'm going to bring that shade down right here, inner corner. Now we got to pick out something fun for the lower lash line. We could do purple. Ooh, the purple would look cool with this. Maybe this shade right here. Let's do that one. Using a BK Beauty N22 brush. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna hop off camera and do some eyeliner and lashes, and then I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. I love it. It feels like a sunset moment. I used the same lashes and mascara from the first look, but the waterline, my lower waterline, I used Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Alkaline. And this is the look. I love this palette. I'm gonna wear this look all day today, and I will share with you guys my final thoughts once I get home from work on this new Arc of Color palette from Bella Beaute Bar. Okay guys, so it's been 10 hours with this all matte look, little wing going on. I think that Arc of Color is a beautiful palette. The cover art for me is just aces. It is definitely a large rainbow palette. Some of you may not be into color, so this is not going to be your palette, but for those of you, like I said earlier, that are working makeup artists or you just love colorful makeup, maybe you haven't given your colorful makeup eyeshadow palette collection an update in a while. This might be a good palette to add to your stash if you're looking for something that has all the colors in the rainbow. These are all matte shades, good quality mattes. They're easy to work with. They're super pigmented, but as you can see here, there is quite a bit of kick up in the pan. So just be mindful of that when you're going in, when you're packing on your shadows. I would definitely, like I did, put some powder down underneath or do your eyes first, because you might be getting some fallout with these just because they're so pigmented. Bella Beaute Bar has a really nice formula, and if you're looking for this type of palette, then look no further than Arc of Color. This will be available, I believe, June 12th. I'll have all the details in the description box. My affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order. I think it's a beautiful palette. I love the formula. I love the quality. I personally am not in the market for something like this, something this large, but you might be, or you might know somebody that might be. So if you are that person and you need this in your stash, just know you're going to be getting a good quality palette. I think it's a fun palette. I mean, just you're going to see this displayed on the shelf behind me because I love this artwork. It is so fun. It takes me back to when I was younger, playing with stickers, Lisa Frank, all of that. I love this kind of stuff. And the cat, we have to get it because it has a cat, right? But great job, Bella Beaute Bar. Thank you so much for sending me this in PR. Hope I gave you guys some inspo. There are tons of things you can do with this palette. I barely scratched the surface, but these are good quality mattes, and I guarantee you will not be disappointed if you pick this one up. Let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.